we're making a special Chinese cereal. It's a cereal delight. First, we have to get the dry ingredients. Special cereal. Into the bowl. Bam. Now we must stir it to make sure it's evenly mixed. With a whisk, it's amazing. It's evenly mixed with the cereal. And we must stop now because we are losing little pieces. Now we fill it up with the juice. Yes, yummy juice. So that makes the macaroni boil. And now we mix it again. This time with a spoon because we want to mix it gently. And once as the fizzes, boil the macaroni. Now, this is a special cereal, so now we must stop and add some more dry ingredients. Listen to the snap, crackle, and pop. Mix it with with your hands. Because you want to mix it gently, like rolling the dough. You do not want to squish any bits of the snap, crackle, pop. You, give me a paper towel. Shameful. Thank you. Sure, says you because you're worthless. Now we must put it on a plate so that you all may see it. Because this is a drier kind of cereal, it works. And now we take a spoon. Say with another knife, a spoon. Stupid arm, so just operation did not listen to me. A spoon, a little works. And you must eat it. Say cheese. You can go turn it off now. Stupid head. I'm not going to eat this crap.